This 25-liter steam oven will be the first movie star in your market soon. I give him a very beautiful name, Little Expert. Let me introduce him from outside to inside. How about your first eyesight? Very beautiful, right? From the face, you can see whole big window, whole big glass door, hidden pull-hand-down door handle, very simple control panel, large round corner, streamlined design, and this is the independent auto tank, 1 liter volume. It can keep the oven cooking over 2 hours without any problem to cook 5 dishes. You needn't add water on the halfway. From the top, this cover from the bottom of this side to the other side of the bottle is very easy to clean, and it can be all kinds of color. And this plastic part is steam outlet to the right direction. Thus, you can stand everywhere around this oven. This design will keep you far away from hurt by the hot air. Now, let's open the door. Pull down door. 2 rear glasses. There is one secret. You may notice it looks a little blue color. Why? Because there are some special insulation material on it. This secret makes the door is much powerful to keep the heat inside, but outside the temperature is very controlled and you can touch during oven cooking. This is for safety, and this is a micro switch. It can stop oven cooking if the door opened. It's also for safety, for energy saving. And this is rubber seal ring, also keep the heat inside and keep the steam inside for energy saving and for cooking performance. Now, let's see the most important part, the cavity. Firstly, let me take out the accessories. Grill, plug, stick, clean, very well. You can see 4 food-grade stainless steel integrated with a slide-guided in one piece, and very easy to clean. And inside, this is LED lighting, and this is temperature sensor. And this core for steam inlet. On the back, there are heating element and convection inside. Here, your attention please. This steam is 100-degree temperature steam instead of moisture. it can work on the food direction and make the food cooked. Maybe in some market, steam function is not so popular at this moment. But in my opinion, steam as a cooking method with thousands of years of history already, everyone has a chance to enjoy it. Do you miss Chinese steamed food you experienced during your stay in China? Do you want to have them at your home? So, it's like a photography. Some time ago, maybe 5 years, 10 years, mostly 20 years ago, only professional photographer can take photos. But now, with a smartphone, everyone can take beautiful photos by themselves. The equipment can bring us all possibility. Now, steam oven is coming. In fact, steamed food is not only delicious, but also nutritious, and it's much easier to cook. How delicious steamed food? Your tongue will give you the right answer. Do you remember steamed fish, steamed dessert, steamed seafood, all kinds of steamed food, even steamed vegetable? Are you wondering about nutritious? It's very easy to understand because steam temperature is very easy to control. Then, on fire direction or in the pan or other cooking way. And steam temperature is very stable. Thus, the nutrition will not be damaged or lost during cooking. If we use Chinese medicine theory to think about steamed food, steam should be the best cooking way. Okay, why steamed food is much easier to cook? You just need prepared material, clean and adjust the taste as you wish, with salt, sugar, sauce, and whatever you want. And even you don't know how to make your own sauce, supermarket can help you. And this is the natural taste of food. Enjoy it. Okay, this topic is more suitable around the table with water at hand. Let's stop here. Now, let me show you how to use this oven. Please look at the control panel. There are 3 parts. This part for function option, this part for display, and this knob for temperature and time adjust. There are 4 function options. This is grill, very easy to understand. This is steam, we can make a steam food direction. This is auto manual, everyone also understands it well. And this is steam combined with grill. I need to introduce more about this function. Maybe we have many kinds of experience like this. The grilled food is very tough and dry, but when we make the grilled food with steam, then the food, the outside will be the same as grill, but inside it will be very juicy and soft. Let's take a sample to show you how to use this oven. Steam egg. I just show you the process. Firstly, I take away this kind of accessories. And I power the equipment. Like this. We prepare the egg in advance, and then we push steam function. Then temperature tweaking like this. We turn the knob to choose the right. To cook an egg 100 degrees. Then we push one time to confirm, and then time tweaking like this. And we also turn around the knob to adjust the time. Normally for steamed egg, 6 minutes is enough. And then put one time to confirm. Now the oven is preheated. This cylinder were to show what the oven is doing. If the temperature in cavity is enough, this step will jump over. Now we can see the temperature is rising up several seconds. Moment please. If the ultra is not enough, the oven will give you some reminder, something like alarm. Some moisture inside already because there are some water inside. Now the oven gave us some reminder. He is ready to steam food. And then we open the door and put the egg inside and close the door and push the button to confirm. One more time. Now it's working. Another single short indicator. We can hear some water noise. Okay, I just showed you the process, and if we want to stop the oven, just push it 3 seconds, and then come back to the start. Okay, this will be the first movie star in your market soon, and he has a family. And this is his white brother, and this is another version we produced for Whirlpool brand. And now I will be waiting for your version. Okay, see you then.